What a drag.
Yes, with this weather, we'll never be able to go skiing.
Why is it so hot?
I don't know, it's so weird.
Who knows? Maybe there's a winter god and he's on vacation.
Well, if it doesn't snow this year, we're staying home.
And I wanted to go skiing.
Yeah, it's so much fun. You don't know how much I laughed every time you fell last year.
But I'm the best skier in the world.
Of course, you had your superpowers frozen that day.
You noticed? So if you knew, why didn't you help me?
Can you imagine what'll happen if it's in the snow?
That can't happen. Let's build a snow machine.
Yes!
Tula, you know how to build one, don't you?
No, I thought you knew how.
What a drag. We won't be able to go snow skiing or have a snowball fight or make snow angels, nor snowmen.
That's it! We'll create our very own snowman!
Have you figured out how to build a snow machine?
No, man. We're gonna make paper figurines.
No.
What do you mean by no?
Tula, it's much more fun to make them out of snow.
But there's no snow. What's more, these figures will melt in the heat.
That's true. I hadn't thought of that.
Then let's start with the materials we're going to need.
Colored paper.
Scissors.
Paper cutter.
Toothpick.
A pen.
And white glue.
And why don't we make a giant ski slope?
Telmo, the paper can't hold up your weight.
What do you mean? Are you calling me fat?
Telmo, do you know the joke about ducks?
No.
Okay, why do ducks have webbed feet? To put out fires. And why do elephants have flat feet? To put out the burning ducks. I see you like my joke.
Listen to this one. Two lambs are playing soccer. One kicks the ball really far, and the other one says, "You go." And you know what the other one says? "You too."
It's better if we start with the first step of our arts and crafts. Take out the colored paper and cut it in half-inch lengthwise strips. Take 2 white strips, and with the help of toothpicks, we add a drop of glue to the glue strips on each side.
Tula, I have an idea.
Tell me.
Why don't we ask grownup to help us cut the paper with the paper cutter?
I think that's great.
Grown
Grown-up!
Where could he be?
I don't know. Maybe he's not feeling well.
What do you think if we go look for him?
Okay.
Grown-up!
Grown-up, are you feeling well?
We were calling you, but you weren't answering us.
Grown-up, what are you doing?
You're not going to learn how to ski without snow.
Come on, grown-up, everything's all right. We need your help.
Look, grown-up, we need to cut thin, equal strips and thought that you could help us cut them with the paper cutter.
But it's not too complicated.
Where's he going?
Well, maybe it's a lot more difficult than we thought. Oh my!
Spectacular!
Grown-up surprises me more every day.
I have to ask him to teach me his superpowers.
Come on, let's glue the strips.
And meanwhile, let's go over the second step of our project.
Take the pen, place it at the end of the strip, and begin rolling it until the strip is completely rolled up around the pen. We hold the spiral tightly with our fingers while we carefully remove the pen. We put a drop of glue at the end of the strip and glue it while pressing the spiral. If you want a bigger spiral before placing the glue, let go of your fingers and let the spiral open.
Tula, did you know that monsters live in snow?
That's impossible.
It's true. The Yeti which is an enormous monster covered with hair and eats people.
Who told you that?
That's the least of it. We have to prepare for the next time we go to the snow just in case we run into him.
Telmo, monsters don't exist.
Think what you like, but I will be taking Dino just in case.
So he can confront the Yeti?
Exactly. Super Dino against the Yeti. I'm sure it'll give him such a thrashing that it'll never bother anyone else.
Haven't you thought that it could be the other way around?
That's impossible. Dino is a super fighter. I taught him myself. Did you know that? Dino is capable of landing thousands of hits at the speed of light.
Poor Yeti. Maybe he feels all alone and he only wants a friend.
I'd rather not confirm that.
I think it's best that we should go over the last steps of our arts and crafts. We make 3 white spirals for the body of the snowman and glue them together. For the hat, a black spiral conforming it in a square fashion, plus a strip with a curled end. For the nose, an orange spiral in the form of a triangle. And for the scarf, 2 spirals made up of red and green strips, also in the form of a triangle. We glue each object in its place with Elmer's glue and with the help of a toothpick. It came out wonderful!
Yes. But I'd prefer it if it snowed.
Taquito?
Snow? Snow!
It's wonderful! Let's go tell Grownup! Grownup, it's snowing!
If Yeti shows up, you'll defend us, right?